In this video, we are going to see the model 3, the topic of partial differential equations under. So what we have seen in the previous videos, we have seen for eliminating arbitrary constant, arbitrary functions, we have seen 3 videos. So now we are going to into the next method. That is nothing but we formed a PDE equation. Now we are going to find a solution of that PDE equations. Okay. So in the as per the syllabus, we have an 2 topic is there for under the solutions. The one is an direct integration method and another one is an with one independent variable. Okay. So what is that? Solution of homogeneous equations involving the derivative with respect to one independent variable. Suppose you have only one independent variable in the PDE. What is it meaning? Generally, if you have equations with have more than one independent variable, we will use in dou u by dou x like that, right? So suppose d by dx will have one independent variable. More than of one independent variable will go for partial differential equations, right? So suppose if you have a partial differential equations with only one independent variable alone in the complete equation, it will go for ordinary differential equations. Then you can able to solve as it is for your ODE equation. That is what we are going to see in this topic. What is that? The solution of homogeneous equation involving the derivative with respect to one independent variable, only one independent variable. Okay, it's got by the first treating the PDE as ODE and finding the solution of ODE. The arbitrary constant, when you go with the solution part, you know, already we have seen in the, I think in the previous model, how to solve your ordinary differential equation. We have seen homogeneous, non-homogeneous and 3 type. We have seen the non-homogeneous equation. Same method we are going to solve it here because it is existing with a similar kind of your ordinary differential equations. Okay. But one changes will be there. There we have used for arbitrary constant as a C1, C2. Okay. Here we are going to use in the equations in the PDE, the constant is other than the variable, remaining all will be a constant. That is what we are going to use. The arbitrary constant in the solution of ODE are replaced by arbitrary function of other independent variable given the solution of PDE. Okay, it's clear the definition. So we'll go with the example problem. The first question, solve dou squared z by dou x squared minus z is equal to 0. Given z is equal to cos y, dou z by dou x is equal to sin y when x is equal to 0. Okay. So what I can do that, given equation I can take. You see the equation is there in terms of only x and z. So z is a function of x and y. But the equation I don't have in y. So I can solve by using with one independent variable. So it treated as an ODE. So d squared z by dx squared minus z is equal to 0. I can get d squared minus 1. Use your differential equation solution, differential operator d. So I'll get d squared minus 1 of z is equal to 0. So what is your auxiliary equation? M squared minus 1 is equal to 0. What is in my auxiliary equation? To convert differential equations to the algebraic equation, we'll write your auxiliary equation by replacing d to be replaced by m. Okay. So m squared equal to plus 1. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. What is your solution? Which case? It is a real and distinct case, right? So first case it will go z is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. This is your ODE solution. When it's coming for PDE solution, what is that? C1 and C2 replaced by which is there in the constant. So variable is x here. So constant here y. So f1 of y and g of y I have taken it. But the solution, we did only the solutions with arbitrary constant. But here the additional condition has been given. What is this? This is called as an initial value problem. When the initial condition has been given, you need to find the function value. For that reason, I have to use dou z by dou x is there when x is equal to 0. First find equation number 2 with respect to x, the differentiation. I'll get f of y into e power x minus g of y e power minus x will give minus. That's why as minus has come here. Okay. Now replace x is equal to 0 in both equation number 2 and 3. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to cos y. Okay. Equation number 2. Cos y is equal to f of y e power 0 will be 1 f of y plus g of y. Similar, when x is equal to 0, dou z by dou x is sin y. So replace sin y is equal to f of y minus g of y. So these two equations we are going to solve. So you can solve just a simultaneous equation, add, what is that? I'll get 2f of y, g of y will get cancelled. Cos y plus sin y by 2 you can write it. G of y is cos y minus sin y by 2. So substitute your f of y and g of y to the equation. Then what I made it a simplification. Cos y you can take it as a common first and second term. I'll get inside e power x plus e power x by 2. Got it? Again here sin y I can take it as a common e power x minus e power minus x by 2. This is nothing but hyperbolic function of cos term. This is nothing but sin term. So cos y cos hx plus sin y sin hx is a required solution. So next question, solve dou square z by dou y square minus 4 dou z by dou y plus 4 z equal to 0 given initial one. Similar like a previous one. What is that? Here in terms of y has been expressed, y is here variable, then x is here constant. That's a change. Okay. So write here differential equations, PDE to ODE equation, introduce a differential operator and you will get a algebraic equation. Then you can write a root m is equal to 2 comma 2, right? So what is the solution? Solution of this ODE is z is equal to, it's real and equal. It is for second case of your homogeneous. What is that? C1 plus C2 into x. Instead of x here you have y is your variable, right? So y into e to the power of 2y. Now write your solution. What is the solution of PDE? Z is equal to f of x e power 2y plus y into g of x into e power 2y. So differentiate equation number 2 with respect to y, treating x as a constant, because here you have to make it similar like a previous one. Differentiate with respect to y. So what is that? Dou z by dou y is equal to 2 into f of x e power 2y plus 2 into, what is it? You can go with respect to y. Here it will, as it is one term, but here it is a product rule. So I can make it first e power 2y, you can write it 2 into e power 2y g of x into y. Again plus y you can take e power 2y into g of x you will get. So equation number 2 and 3 you can use the condition y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, dou z by dou y is e power x. So replace both the equations. So equation number 2, replace y is equal to 0, this will go 0. I'll get only f of x is equal to 0 when s is equal to 0 is given. And the right side again equation number 3, this will be e power x, the condition as given in the question. Then e power 2y will be 0, right? 2 into f of x, here it will go 0, here it will be g of x alone you will get. Since f of x already 0, g of x will be e power x. So f of x will go 0. In this equation replace only g of x. So your solution is equal to y into e to the power of e power x into y, g is e power x into e power 2y. So we'll get e power of x plus 2y. That's all. It's clear na? So we'll go one more little different because it's used for u and t. Okay. So u as expressed in terms of t. Okay. The variable. So what I can do as usual, see it is in cube is there. And then u is given, initial condition is given when t is equal to 0. U is equal to 0, dou u by dou t 0, and here second order also has been given, because if you use with cube equations, third order equation, sure the roots will be 3. When you write a solutions of 3 roots, the solution must be 3 arbitrary constant. Okay, for that reason has been given with second order also to get your arbitrary function value. So first to write equation number 1, assume into the ordinary differential equation, you will get d cube u by dt. Again introduce your differential operator, you will get like this equation. So in this, take out m as a common. Okay, so I can write it m of, I'll get m squared plus 4 equal to 0. So what will happen? M is equal to 0, then m square plus 4 equal to 0. So what is that? M squared equal to minus 4. So m will be plus or minus of 2y. That's why we got 0 and then plus or minus of 2y. Okay. Now you write the solution. One is e power of 0, we can write it c1 into e power 0. But here it is a third case, right? So e power 0, alpha value 0, beta value will be c1 has already used it, c2 cos 2t, c3 sin 2t. The solution of PDE is u is equal to c1 to be replaced f of x, because x to be used, I can use it as a constant because u and t is there, right? So f of x, g of x and h of x I have used it. So now I have to do first order derivative and second order also, because I should find f of x, g of x and h of x value. Take dou u by dou t. There is no product rule anywhere. So directly you can go first one 0, second one minus 2 into cos will be sine. That's what is written here. And here 2 into h of x into cos will be, sine will be cos. Okay. Again second. Again this equation, one more differentiation with respect to t. I'll get minus 4 g of x cos 2t minus 4 h of x sin 2t. Now equation number 2, 3, 4. Replace the given condition. When t is equal to 0, I'll get a equation. First one, what is the condition has been given? When u is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, this is 0, first order also 0, but second order will be 4. Okay. So replace u is equal to 0, t is also will be 0. Cos 0 alone will get g of x functions you will get, right? First one f of x and g of x. Second one 0 is equal to 2 into, you will get only h because cos term alone will come. Here 4 is equal to, again here you will get minus 4 g of x alone will come. All the term cos terms coefficient alone will come. The second equation alone f of x is a constant, we have written as it is. From this h of x is 0, from this g of x is minus 1. So replace g of x is minus 1, f of x will be plus 1. Replace all the result to the u function. What is that? Here f of x is 1 plus this will be minus 1. So 1 minus of cos 2t. That is what is written in the equation. So 1 minus of cos 2t is nothing but 2 sin square t. This is your required solutions. Okay. That's all. Thank you.